I'm so glad you could join me today. And it's a special day. Secret word of the day. It is lasagna. You know what to do if you hear the secret word, right? Scream real loud. Today is National Lasagna Day, and I'm hosting a collaboration full of many people making very exciting lasagnas. Well, I'm gonna be making a lasagna called Chicken Caesar Salad Lasagna. That sounds wild. You'll learn more about this collaboration later. I started by soaking some lasagna noodles in some boiling water in this glass dish. So much easier than doing it in a pan. Let's start by making the sauce. I've got a pan here. 2 tablespoons of butter. Once that's melted, add 3 tablespoons of flour and allow that to cook for a couple minutes. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of milk, a little bit at a time, and I'm gonna keep stirring it until nice and slowly, until smooth and creamy. Mix in 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, shredded or grated, 1/2 cup of creamy Caesar dressing goes in next, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a little black pepper. Let's mix that all in. I've cooked and shredded up 3 cups of chicken. I'm gonna pour that in and mix it all together. I've prepared my baking dish. Now it's time for some layering. It's saying to start with a layer of noodles. I'll put 3 right on the bottom. Next comes half the chicken mixture. A layer of fresh spinach leaves. This is like the salad of the chicken Caesar salad. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Then repeat. Noodles. The rest of that chicken mix. Spinach. Mozzarella. Then you end with some more noodles and finish with more mozzarella. Cover that with tin foil. It's time to bake it at 375. 30 minutes covered and about 5 to 10 minutes uncovered. It is out of the oven and looking great. I'm gonna let it sit and soon I'm gonna cut myself up a slice. Chicken Caesar salad lasagna. This should be fun. The flavors are incredible. Love the Caesar dressing in there. Of course I love all that cheese. The addition of spinach makes it very exciting. This is a perfect lasagna. And you know what? You can make something like this too. To see many more lasagnas that my friends are making, you will need to check out the hashtag Lasagna Day 2023. Today actually is Lasagna Day, and you're gonna be surprised at how many other people are making lasagnas today too. I will also put all the videos in a playlist, which you'll see in my description. I'm so thankful you came and visited me today. It's always a joy having you here at my kitchen. See you next time. What happened when the Irishman ate lasagna? He got Gaelic breath. It's not over yet. How many times did you hear the word lasagna? Just write how many times you heard the word in my comments, and you could win a gift card that I'll mail to you. Ha! This will be fun. Lasagna!